how to connect your Amazon store with TikTok Shop. Did you know that you can automatically connect your Amazon store with TikTok Shop, and you can have Amazon fulfill the orders that happen inside your TikTok Shop account? Also, did you know that you can automatically sync your Amazon store and have all of your listings appear inside TikTok Shop without you having to move a finger? And in this video, we're gonna show you guys exactly how to sync your Amazon store with TikTok Shop and how to have Amazon fulfill all of those orders for you. So if you're an Amazon seller and you've been looking for ways to get extra sales, TikTok Shop is the way to go. TikTok is completely changing the e-commerce game, so you want to make sure you get ahead of everybody else, because this strategy that we're going to share on this video today is going to help you crush it. All right, guys, let's get started. All right, guys, let's get going. Now, if you are someone that's new to the concept of selling products through TikTok, then I highly recommend you that you watch my free TikTok Shop course below. It'll give you a good idea on how to create a TikTok Shop account and how selling products through TikTok works. All right, so make sure you go check that out if you're brand new to the idea of selling products through TikTok. Now, maybe you don't have products on Amazon and you're looking for products to sell on TikTok, then I highly recommend you to go to Viralytic.com. Viralytic is a TikTok Shop analytics tool that's going to help you find profitable products to sell on TikTok. Simply go to Viralytic.com, create your account, come to the top sales section, and in this area you can see which products are currently selling on TikTok, how much money they're making, and which influencers are currently pushing these products. So all you really need to do to start making money with TikTok is find a supplier for these products, list them, because you know these products already have demand. And if you want to even see which influencers are helping sell this product so you can reach out to them, all you need to do is simply click on the product, go to relevant influencers, and there, this tool literally gives you all of that information. All right, I'll make more videos on this tool on this channel, so make sure you want to go ahead and subscribe. All right, guys, let's get started. All right, guys, now this tutorial has been shot by my business partner, Sean Chapman. He's going to walk you guys through the whole process on how to integrate your Amazon seller account with TikTok Shop, so you want to make sure you take notes. Let's get going.
All right, you're an Amazon seller and you're looking for your second source of revenue. What platform better than the up-and-coming TikTok Shop? TikTok Shop recently launched in 2023 in the US, and now they have an app that you can connect to your Amazon FBA products. Now, whenever you connect it to your Amazon store, you're able to list your products through an app that we'll talk about called Aftership. It'll list your products, and whenever you have an order, it will multi-channel fulfill it, which you can look more into just by searching here in Seller Central. It's called MCF. It'll go over the fees, how that process works, their ship time, everything like that, how returns work as well. So that is what we're going to talk about today, and increase your sales by a second source of revenue. Now, TikTok Shop. All you need to do is go to seller-us-accounts.tiktok.com. Whenever you get ready to create an account, you can actually connect it to your current TikTok account, which you can sign up and link it as a business, or you can sign up as an individual seller very simply by going to sign up now. You'll put in your email, then it will send you a code. It will ask you how you want to sell as an individual seller, sole proprietor, as a business, and so you can pick which one. So that's the way that you can sign up. And like I said, if you have a TikTok account already as just a regular user or a business TikTok account, you can link it that way. So we'll go ahead and get logged in. Click log in. From here, we will go ahead and do the verification, which it always asks, and then it's going to ask for an OTP. Once inside TikTok Shop Seller Center, go under Growth. Once you click that, you'll have three options: select apps and services, and then you're going to use something called Aftership. Now there's a few other options, you can look into those, but we're going to be using the Aftership feed for Amazon. So you'll click that, click install. Once inside of here, you'll put in your information and then you'll proceed further. Now I'll just use the email that I have for my TikTok Shop, and then I'll click confirm and install. And scroll down and authorize. Okay, so pretty simple. Then what we'll do is we'll log into the app and create an account. verify. You fill in your role, hit next, company name, for a website, and then where you're located. So select the country you're in, and then how many orders. I'll just select under 5,000. And then which platform do you use? You can select that, or you can select other. If you have a Shopify, you can actually connect it. And then if your Shopify is connected to your Amazon, you can do it that way. I find this app works better, just connecting directly to Amazon and being the app that connects Amazon to TikTok. But you can use Shopify as well. There is an issue with Shopify connecting to TikTok. It doesn't work perfectly. This one seems a lot easier to use to connect anything to or from TikTok. So we'll do Amazon US, and you'll click connect and then install app. It's going to take you to Seller Central now, and this is where you can connect it, and click the box and confirm. Now, once connected, it's going to walk you through adding your products. So you'll select which ones you want. You can do auto link. I'm not going to do that. I have way too many products to do that with. But I'm going to just show you how to properly do it. There's a few minor details that really make a difference that we'll go through. So we'll click get started. You can select your shipping speed as well. So you can take the tour. I'm just going to fly through this. But it's very important in this step. Now, what you want to do is leave after ship for just a minute, and I'm going to tell you why. So we will go back to TikTok Shop, and what you need to do here is you need to set up seller shipping, so when you do your mapping in AfterShip, it makes it a lot easier. So what you'll do is go to orders and go to shipping fulfillment settings, change this to 3 days, and then go to shipping options. You're going to select seller shipping. Once you select seller shipping, go to shipping templates, and now you need to set this up. All right, so I'm just going to show you how to edit one. You can name your template Amazon MFC if you want. You can make it quantity based, and you can set a flat fee. Now, this isn't going to matter because you're not using TikTok shipping. So you can put in any way, any price. It does not matter because your shipping fee is going to be paid by Amazon whenever they ship your product. It's not going to be through TikTok shipping. So your weight dimensions, none of that truly matters. But you do need the template set up properly so that you don't get orders from any states that you don't want to. So you will do edit and select the states that you want to ship. I highly recommend not doing Hawaii or Alaska. Once you hit save, you can go to manage warehouse information here. And here's where you're going to be putting in your address. Make sure it's one that is able to be shipped to. There are a few that we've noticed where some of our students were not able to have an order placed on TikTok Shop and that order be just tested to make sure the sync was working properly. So make sure that you have a friend or family member place an order. It's like Amazon. If you're ordering from your own store, it'll get shut down. So do not do that. Number two, make sure that the order is fulfilled and shipped within 3 days. It does not have to be delivered in 3 days. It just has to ship in 3 days so that you do not hit any issues in your analytic or your account health on TikTok Shop. Okay, so 3 days, keep that in mind, and make sure that you have a friend or family member, not yourself, test and order to make sure the sync is working properly. Once you have this done, let's go back to AfterShip. Inside AfterShip, now you will go to category mapping, and you'll click map products, and here you can select the product that you want to map, that you're wanting to sell. Something really cool is that the price that the product's selling for on Amazon can be a slightly higher fee than what you're currently selling it for, and so you don't need to worry about profit and loss at this point. You can sell a product for $5 to $10 more than what it's selling for on Amazon. It's actually insane. So we'll select the product and then we will go to next. Move my face out of the way. We select the category. So this one is food. And so we will do, let's scroll down. I think this one was syrup. So let me just try typing that in. All right, so we'll go with this. Then we'll click save. And we'll click sync now. So we'll need to edit the product details. And this is where you'll put this in. Like I said, it does not matter because it's not actually going to be quoting the shipping based off this. Amazon's going to be doing that. For food, you'll need to upload the label and then you'll click save. Then you'll click save. Go to attributes and enter the ingredients. Oh, that is no. Manufacturer. Select US. And save. All right. Now that we're done there, let's go back to sync and sync products. Now it's going to be listing on our TikTok shop where you may have to do a little bit more details if it does fail to upload. Now it says that it is published and it's synced, it did not fail, and it's fulfilled by Amazon. Then we'll go to Product Center, we can see it there, and here's where you'll see your orders coming through. Now let's go back to products on TikTok. And let me show you some examples of something that's already selling. So these are selling at $12.99. If I go back to my Amazon and let me go to orders, manage orders, and view FBA, I can show you that we do have products selling from TikTok shop that is higher than what it's listed for on Amazon. So let me do product name and search Turkey. Turkey's a brand that we manage. We'll do the last 30 days. And so you can see here, just regular product selling for $7.99, $7.99, $7.99. I go to TikTok, show you, we have a few orders. We're gaining a lot of traction with more and more influencers. And so you can see here, these are selling. Let me see if I can pull that order up. And now you can see that 2 of these sold for $25 and they're selling for $12.99 each. So that's the power of selling on TikTok shop. Let's go through how to find influencers. There's 2 places. There's an affiliate center here. You can go through, click get started. And here's where you can actually have influencers apply in open collaboration. Every time this pops up, I don't know why, but go to open collaboration. Here's where you can see creators that want to sell your products. So here's where you'll want to approve them. You can set up these settings to be able to make it where they have to apply. So let me scroll down the page. I do not like the user friendliness of this yet because they make it where you have to scroll everywhere, but you can make it where they do have to apply with this checkbox. So you can scroll up and it's approved creators, and then you'll see their applications here, and this is where you can see all the ones that are wanting to apply. It's pending. Something to remember, do not approve everybody. Check their profiles and make sure that they're going to help your brand. You can do target collaboration. Here's where you can create a campaign and find creators here in Find Creators and invite them to your campaign. Now, second option is called Creator Marketplace. Let's go there. Now, once inside of here, you can see all of the campaigns that we're creating inside a marketplace. You can sign up, create a campaign here, walk through it, connect your brand. Once you do that, you'll be able to start to see all the people that are applying, and then you can approve the ones that you think are going to be fit best for your brand. Now, there's no minimum that I look for because you never know what influencer is going to take off. If you need help learning how to create a campaign, make sure you reach out and apply to our Social Commerce Academy program where we teach you how to sell on TikTok, find the best influencers, work with them, and be able to sell your products a lot quicker. Now, TikTok's the new advertising campaign. What I mean by that is whenever I launch a video that a creator is promoting my product, you can quickly see the spikes in the sales. And so if I just go here, let's go look at some orders whenever we post videos. We'll just type in Turkey again, and I'll be able to show you exactly the increase that we're seeing just from posting on TikTok, which is huge. So once I go to the listing, I'll use something called Keepa, and inside of Keepa, I can start to see my sales rank drop drastically during these posts. So you see here, video posted, video posted, video and ads running together. So this is the power of using TikTok to be able to increase sales on Amazon. Hopefully this helps. If you need any more information, don't hesitate, reach out. Don't pass this opportunity up. This is like getting into Amazon back in 2000s. So make sure you take advantage of it, and we look forward to seeing your sales increase.
That is all for today. So if you get a lot of value from this, all I ask for in return is that you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. And to enter my weekly giveaway where I give out $100 directly to a person that does the following. Number 1, subscribes to the channel. Number 2, give this video a thumbs up. And number 3, comments the word TikTok shop. I'll go ahead, pick one of you from the comments, and I'll send $100 directly to your PayPal. That being said, I want to say congratulations to our winner of our last video. Here you go. I'm going to reach out to you on the comments. We'll talk on Instagram. I'll ask for your PayPal, and I'll send you $100 directly to your PayPal. All right, guys, that's it, and I'll see you guys on the next.